Alright, what's going on, guys? So, yesterday and today, I've been working, me and Daniel, on our GSRs, mine and his over there. Cause since I was supposed to sell mine, so I swapped my exhaust that I bought. So I had his stock exhaust and he had my MagnaFlow exhaust, but I might end up keeping mine. So yesterday and today we've been just working on them, swapping the exhaust. And Daniel yesterday decided he wanted to go open cat. So here's his muffler right here, that stock big muffler. And right now on his GSR he's running open cat, but he thinks it's a little bit too loud. And let me see where the B pipe is. There's the B pipe right here. So he thinks the open cat's a little bit too loud, so he wants to run just open resonator, so up to here. So he's gonna take this off, and if he doesn't like that, or he thinks it's too low or too high, whatever, then we're gonna connect this. So just wanted to make this video of sound comparison between open cat, open resonator, and then open, I don't know, right here to where the muffler connects. So we're gonna do a sound test. Gonna turn it on right now. This is open cat. Alright, well that's open cat, and now he's gonna unbolt this flange right here. We're gonna connect this, see how that sounds, and then we're probably gonna connect this one, see how that sounds, and we're gonna see which one he likes better. Alright, so I think for the size is gonna be a 14. Where's the 14 at? 14 right there. Let me see, test it first. So that's a 14. Alright, so he just took it off. So now he's just gonna connect this piece right here. When I had this on, it triggered me because I guess something's inside the resonator loose. So let's see, hold it. Let's see, what is that?
I found it. Look at that.
I can't see in the camera, but yeah, it always makes a noise either when it's idling or when you're going a little too slow. When you're letting go of the clutch, it starts rattling a lot. Alright, so we found what's rattling. It's right there. We're gonna try to see if we could take it out or not, but let's see what happens. Alright, so right now what he has to do is he has to put those hangers on right there somewhere, I don't know, right there. You can see him right there. And then after he puts the hangers on, he has to come over here. We'll zoom out where the cat is. Where's the cat at? I can't see it. All the way over there. Gonna have to connect it from the cat, and then we're gonna turn it on again, see how that sounds.
I thought you would have talked with me.
So that's how it's gonna be open, up to right there. And then we're gonna turn it on, see how that sounds, see if he likes it.
Yeah, call me the scissors.
So we need scissors because since it was open cat and there's no hangers to the cat, we have to, you know, use the best tool out there. Have to use zip ties to hold up the cat. It's the best way. Now we gotta cut them off.
Almost OEM.
Yup. Gotta come over here, get the 3 bolts. 2, 3. Gotta use these. Take them to Daniel. Daniel.
Oh, I need the thingy thing connects in here. You know the thingy thing that connects.
Oh, the gasket. Now we need a gasket. Garbage. All we got right now, though. What? This is how you get exhaust leaks. Garbage. Alright, so it's on now. So now we're gonna turn it on, see how it sounds. I'm gonna turn it on right now. Where's the exhaust at? Where is it? It's all the way over there. Sounds. Alright, so it kind of sounds the same, but it's a little bit safer since we didn't have zip ties. So he's just gonna keep it like that since I have to go to work in a bit. So I don't know. We'll test this one out, you know, later on. But for now, he's just gonna keep open resonator. Just gonna keep it like that for now. Well, that's it for today. We gotta go.